Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to install and set up a Kafka in your Windows machine. So first go to the Kafka apache.org, click on download Kafka. After downloading Kafka, select the required version you want to download. I'm selecting a 3.12, download the Kafka file. Once it is downloaded, go to the download folder and unzip this folder. So I have already unzipped the folder. I have already unzipped the folder and it was placed here. Yeah, it was placed here. Okay. So now, if you want to run your Kafka in Linux machine, you can use the files which are placed in bin folder. Okay, if you want to use or set up your Kafka in your Windows machine, just go to the Windows folder where you have the all the bat files which will help you to run in Windows file. Okay, to start your Kafka up and running, so we need one of the more important component, that is Zookeeper. So first you need to start your Zookeeper. You need to start your Zookeeper by sending the configuration file. Copy, open the CMD. After opening the CMD, if you're not sure what commands to run, go to the quick start. So in that quick start, you will have the unzip command. After that, you have the command which will help you to start your Zookeeper. So now go to the Zookeeper, paste your commands on the Windows command prompt, remove the shell and open the bat, type the bat. So the Kafka will not understand, this command prompt will not understand the config folder. So if you enter this config by default, it will not run. So it will show you like the configuration file at missed. So for this, what you need to do is just go to the command, open the command and take the complete full path of your Kafka directory. Okay, take complete path of the directory and paste it. So now change your folder path slashes, forward slashes to backslashes, which supports the Windows. Now you run the file. So the config folder is in Kafka folder. So when you run it from the Windows folder, it don't know the that file of Zookeeper don't know the file is placed in two folders up. So that is the reason why it was failed. Now if you run this, the Zookeeper will be run. So now the Zookeeper is starting. So once the Zookeeper is up, then we can start the actual Kafka. So Zookeeper is a dependency of to run the Kafka. So if Zookeeper doesn't turns on, then your Kafka will not run. It will not start basically. It will not start. The Kafka will not start actually. Okay, now if you see this Zookeeper is started. Now we need to run. We need to run the Kafka. So don't stop your Kafka Zookeeper and don't terminate that window where you started the Zookeeper. Open another command prompt. After opening the command prompt, use the same command what you are showing here. So use the command here. Use the command here uh, as a bat. As a bat and copy the same path here. So in the earlier file what we're using here, so we will copy the same path here from here. Same path. So where we have the zone, where we have our install, or you can run it from the main folder of your Kafka by bin slash windows slash kafka.bat. Uh, in that way also you can run it without mentioning the complete path. Now Kafka is running. Kafka is starting, so it was connecting with the Zookeeper. Now it's starting. Yeah. Once your Zookeeper and Kafka is up, we have already have topics created, then we can directly send messages to the specific topics. So as we don't have the topics currently, so I will create a temporary topic now. So I will create a sample topic just to send the messages. and we'll add a consumer also to read the messages. So now Kafka is also up and running. Now go to that point and use this Kafka quick start. So now open another command prompt from the Windows folder. So now I will use the topic name as task incomplete. Task incomplete. Task incomplete. And instead of shell, I'm using the bat file. So already I'm Windows folder, not logged in here. So now enter it. Uh, it has to show the topic as created now. If that has created successfully, so now the topic has created, task incomplete. Now we don't, first we listen to the consumer, uh, console producer, which is a consumer will in the consumer just to see is there any messages. So as a creator now, we should not have any messages in the we should not have any messages in our topic. So just validating that. Okay, just pasting here and changing our topic name to task incomplete. Task incomplete. Incomplete, and I'm changing the shell to bat file. Okay, shell to bat file and enter. So as we don't have any messages, it's not showing anything. Now when I do control C, see that the process student is of 0 because we don't have any messages in that topic. So now we'll send a few messages. Uh, Now we'll send the messages using command prompt. So you can send messages using any of your client like Java or .NET. So we have respect to dependencies. So you can send it from through the code. So we'll see those as well in the next tutorials. Incomplete. IMPLET. Incomplete. So now Kafka dot control producer dot not recognized as an internal external command. So maybe okay, I copied wrong thing. Bat file. Sorry, I have mentioned in bat file. Here typo is a bat file. I mentioned it at that file. So now when you click on that, it will ask for some messages to enter. This is my first message. This is my second message. Okay, now I'm stopping with Control C. Terminate. Yes. So actually, I have not clicked enter for a second message. So it will show you the only one message I feel, I guess. So now select this. Now I'm running the console again. Consumer again. So now it will show you the number of messages what we have there. So this is my first message. One message. Okay. So because I have not entered the enter here. So after if you click enter, then it will send into the projector. So as in not entered, not press enter, it was not sent to that message. Yeah. So this is how we need to use this. Now the Kafka is up and running, and we're able to send the message using command prompt, and we're able to consume the messages using command prompt. So we'll see how to send messages using Java in next tutorial. Thanks for listening.